Hi. This is an overview and thought experiment, thought exercise. Yeah, a thought exercise on adding a digital readout to my sherline mill. I've got the 12-inch DRO, and I can put it on the longitudinal of my mill. That's about the only place it'll be any good, and let's face it, with a sherline mill, why do I need a DRO? I can't afford a good DRO that'll give me the 100,000th of an inch resolutions I need. And for the cross slide of my sherline lathe, I absolutely need a resolution of 100,000th of an inch for a DRO on the lathe cross slide. DRO for longitudinal on the lathe, I could get away with a 6-inch thousandths indicator. But since everyone's doing DRO, I'm going to find some way to attach this 12-inch DRO to my mill. And it's not going to look anything like anyone else does. If Poppy can't be outre, he not going to be.